Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and platforms you use to manage your projects? It's like trying to juggle a dozen balls while blindfolded. And if you're a freelancer or agency owner, the chaos can be even more pronounced. Imagine a single platform that could streamline your entire workflow, from project planning and task management to time tracking and client communication. A tool that not only saves you time but also enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. That's the promise of ClickUp. Main question, but here's the million-dollar question. Should you invite your clients to use ClickUp? Benefits of inviting clients to ClickUp. Improved collaboration. Real-time updates and notifications keep everyone on the same page. Centralized communication eliminates the need for endless email threads. Shared task lists and deadlines ensure everyone is aligned. Enhanced transparency. Clients can easily track project progress and see the status of their tasks. No more guessing or assumptions about project timelines. Increased transparency leads to greater trust and satisfaction. Simplified communication. Comments, discussions, and file sharing within ClickUp make communication a breeze. No more back-and-forth emails or confusing attachments. Streamlined communication saves time and reduces misunderstandings. Boosted productivity. Clients can easily access and manage their tasks, reducing the need for constant check-ins. Automation features like recurring tasks and time tracking streamline workflows. Increased productivity leads to faster project completion and happier clients. Potential challenges and considerations. Learning curve. Some clients may find it challenging to adapt to a new tool. Consider providing training or resources to help clients get started. Data privacy. Clients may have concerns about sharing sensitive information. Address these concerns by emphasizing ClickUp's security measures. Integration with existing tools. If clients are already using other tools, ensure ClickUp can integrate seamlessly. When to invite clients to ClickUp. Complex projects. If your projects involve multiple stakeholders or require intricate coordination, ClickUp can be a game changer. Long-term relationships. For clients with whom you have established a long-term partnership, introducing ClickUp can strengthen your relationship. Client request. If a client expresses interest in a more organized and collaborative approach to project management, consider suggesting ClickUp. Tips for a smooth transition. Start small. Begin by introducing ClickUp for a specific project or task. Provide training. Offer training sessions or resources to help clients get familiar with the tool. Be patient. Allow clients time to adjust to the new workflow. Inviting clients to use ClickUp can be a strategic decision that benefits both you and your clients. By improving collaboration, enhancing transparency, simplifying communication, and boosting productivity, ClickUp can streamline your workflows and elevate your client relationships. However, it's important to consider potential challenges and choose the right time to introduce ClickUp. By carefully evaluating your projects, client relationships, and the potential benefits, you can make an informed decision about whether to invite clients to ClickUp. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.